Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn English with Sheetal. This is me Sheetal. So today I came with a new topic, that is parts of speech. So parts of speech are those parts of grammars which we use in our daily speech or sentence of English. A sentence is incomplete without a parts of speech. A sentence completes with a group of words, and those group of words individually is a different parts of speech. एक सेंटेंस में बहुत सारे वर्ड्स को मिला के एक सेंटेंस बनती है, और उस सेंटेंस में जो एक एक वर्ड्स यूज़ होते हैं उसमें वो अलग अलग पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच होते हैं. So there are various parts of speech which we use. Those are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunctions and interjections. If I say a sentence like Rahul is sitting on the bench, so in this sentence the sentence contains all the various parts of speech. So Rahul is sitting on the bench. Rahul is the name of that person, so that name of the person is noun, and is sitting is verb, is the helping verb, and sitting is the main verb. On is the preposition. The is the article, and on the bench is the noun. So in a sentence as we see that there are various parts of speech contains in it. So the first one is noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. It's a name of a person or animal or thing or place, name of whatever it is, name of a person or someone or something or somebody. That is noun. Like for example, Riya is the name of a person. Kolkata is the name of the city. So the name of anything, name of somebody or something or some place is called the noun. So this was the first parts of speech. And the next one is pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is the word which is used instead of a noun. Pronoun we use in the place of noun. Like if I am saying that firstly what I said that Rahul is sitting on the bench. If I have to continue the sentence with that person only, like Rahul is sitting on the bench, he is doing his work. So we cannot repeat his name all the time, right? So in the next sentence we can say that he is writing. So I am using he instead of that Rahul. So that he word is pronoun. The word which we use instead of the noun is called pronoun. So in pronoun, for a person we can use she, he, but for something which is a thing, material noun, we can use it. For animal we can use it. Like the dog is very big. But when we are continuing the sentence with that same animal, so for what can we add? That dog is very big, it runs very fast. For dog we are using it. हम लोग dog के बदले में it use कर रहे हैं. Dog, अब हम लोग sentence जब लिखते हैं तो हर वक्त हम लोग full stop के बाद वो dog, we cannot repeat that, right? So for that we use it. So the next parts of speech is adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is a describing word. Adjective describes the noun. It it describes the noun. It says the speciality about the noun. In a sentence, it adds the speciality of that noun, whether it's a quality, inequality or quantity, whatever it is, but it describes that noun. Example, good. He he is a good boy. If I say that he is a good boy, so good boy, I am talking about the boy, but what special I am talking about him? That he is a good boy. That good word is adjective, and I'm adding some special thing about the noun. It is called adjective. Good, tall, 5, all these are examples of adjective. Now coming to the next parts of speech, that is verb. What is verb? A verb is a doing word, a action word, something which is happening, so that action word is called verb. Like sing, write, cry, all these are verb, examples of verb. So for example, if I say that I am explaining you, so what I am doing, I am explaining you. That explaining word is verb. Now coming to the next part, which is adverb. Adverb is that word which describes about a verb or adjective. So the adverb is that it tells how the action is being done, when the action is being done, and where the action is being done. Means it describes the verb, like if it is happening, then how it is happening, when it is happening, that ये verb को describe करता है कि ये कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, कहाँ पे हुआ. या adjective को, जैसे adjective में if I say that quick is a adjective word, that Vishal ran quickly. So I am adding ly, the adverb is ly. So quickly, he ran quickly. So that quickly word is adverb word. So next, coming to the prepositions. What are prepositions? Prepositions describe the position of something, like where it is, how it is. So it describes the position of something. If you will notice, the preposition word is made up with two parts, pre and positions. So it's coming before and usually showing the positions, that in what position the noun is in. So the next part is conjunction. What are conjunction? Conjunctions are the joining word, are those joining words which make a which joins two sentences together using the words and, or, but, and various etceteras. It joins group of sentence or group of words together. Like if I say that she is young and she is pretty, so I am repeating the same noun two times, that she is young and she is pretty. I can say like she is young and pretty, both the adjectives together. So that joining word is what we are using. We are using and over there. So and is that joining word which combines two sentences or two words together. Now coming to the last parts of speech, which is interjections. Interjections are those word which expresses the strong feeling about any sentence. Like if I say wow, I won the race, so I am using word wow. That wow word is interjections, means it contains a strong emotions in it. So I am using the word wow. So I am adding a special feelings on that sentence, that yes, I won the match. So in details I will explain you all the parts of speech individually. I hope today you have understood whatever I wanted to explain you, what are parts of speech and how we use in a sentence. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.